This is the Black Mamba septic tank soakaway kit. So what do you get with the Black Mamba septic tank soakaway kit? You get the shallow dig low profile septic tank, you get all the pipe work, you get the inspection chamber, you get the beautiful Black Mamba 150mm twin wall perforated pipe, you get all the connectors, and you get the Black Mamba septic tank soakaway sock. So how do you install the Black Mamba septic tank soakaway kit? It's really easy. First of all, insert the septic tank, the pipework and the inspection chamber. Then add the reducer, and then you can start adding all the Black Mamba soakaway pipes. Because there's no gravel required, this kit is really easy to install and it's really easy to assemble. Just push and slot the Black Mamba soakaway pipes into the connectors. Then, when you've done that, cover over all the Black Mamba pipes with the Black Mamba soakaway sock that comes free with this septic tank soakaway kit. There you go, job done. It really is that easy.